Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about what is the roadmap for learning Java full stack. So let's start step by step. First we will understand the backend roadmap. On first number there is loops. So in order to master loops concept you need to first learn for loop, while loop and do while loop. So to master this you can go through the star pattern questions. So with this you will get to know how to use nested for loops and for loops. After that, there is strings and string builder concept. You can learn strings and string builder from YouTube. There are lots of videos about this. And after that, OOPS concepts you can learn like abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and interface. These are very main concepts in OOPS. After that, you can learn multi-threading. Multi-threading is used for maintaining multiple threads at the same time, how to perform operations on multiple threads. So after that you can learn DSA. DSA you can learn linked list, hash map, linear search, stack, queue, etc. After this you can learn JDBC, Advanced Java, Servlet JSP, Spring Core concepts. So in Spring Core there is a concept like IOC. It is inversion of control. So you will need to learn inversion of control, dependency injection, etc. In order to master Spring Core. So Spring Core is very important if you want to learn Spring Boot. So these are the basic concepts to learn Spring framework. Okay. So after this Spring MVC and Spring AOP you need to learn. After that Spring Boot framework will come. Huh? So Spring Boot framework is very much demanding in the tech market and it has very high paid jobs. At last, you can learn microservices. So front end, you as you know, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is the fundamentals in the front end. After that, you can learn Ajax, jQuery, and after that, JavaScript. And there is a library in JavaScript called React.js. You can learn this as well. So with this, you will be Java full stack developer. After learning all these things, you can get a very good job in IT sector. So I assure you, if you will learn all these things in depth, you will get high paid jobs. Seriously. Thank you.